Hey, YouTube fam! Welcome back to Explore with Rose. Welcome to another quick dose of wellness. Today, we've got bite-sized health boosters to keep you feeling great. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Morning Energizer. Start your day with a burst of energy. Try a 5-minute morning workout routine. Quick, effective, and guaranteed to kickstart your day. Tip number 2. Hydration hacks. Quench your thirst the fun way. Jazz up your water with citrus slices or fresh mint. Stay hydrated, stay refreshed. Tip number 3. Snack smart. Snack attack? Opt for nutrient-packed snacks like nuts, seeds, or Greek yogurt. Smart choices for a smart you. Tip number 4. Desk exercise break. Desk job? Take a quick desk exercise break. Stretch those muscles, roll your shoulders, and get the blood flowing. Your body will thank you. Tip number 5. Power naps FTW. Feeling a dip in energy? Embrace the power nap. Keep it short and sweet. 10 to 20 minutes for a quick recharge. There you have it. Health champions. Quick tips for a healthier you. Which one are you trying first? Comment below, hit that like button, and share the wellness vibes. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.